Okay, guys, we're going to start off with question 15, but just forgive me, that was written incorrectly as 189. That should have been 180. So I do apologize. All the workings that I did was absolutely correct. It was just that one of the numbers in the worksheet was written out incorrectly. So again, I apologize for that. Okay, now we're on to question 15. The linear demand function for Mongolian beef is given as 200 minus 2p. Explain what each variable represents. Okay, so we've got QD equals 200 minus 2p. Okay, so the 200 equals A. That's the A variable. And what that is the quantity demanded at a price of 0. It also is where the demand function crosses the Q axis or the quantity axis. That's what that represents. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now, the next thing is the minus 2 equals B, the B variable. Okay, and what that is, that's the slope of the demand function. Okay, that's what that is. And what that means is it's how much quantity demanded changes when price changes by 1 unit. That's what that is, okay? So the number on its own is the A. That's the amount that would be bought or taken, if you want, at a price of 0. And the number before P is the slope, and that's how much quantity demand changes when price changes by 1 unit of currency. Okay, now on to a few more of these. All right, so the demand function for tennis balls is QD equals 1980 minus 495p. My God, what horrible numbers. Okay, 1980 minus 495p. Okay, what is the quantity of tennis balls demanded if the price of each tennis ball is €2? Now, I would hope that we would have a good shot at this. 1980 minus 495 times 2. Okay, 495 times 2 is 990, I believe. Okay, so that's QD equals 1980 minus, let me just check, 990. Okay, and I'm actually going to have to get out the calculator here, guys. I do apologize. I don't want to make a mistake on video that is immortalized forever. And I don't have my calculator. Where is it? Oh, I do have it. Excellent. Okay, so I'll just check my 495 times 2, 990. Excellent. 1980 minus 990 equals 990. Amazing. QD equals 990 tennis balls. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I mean, it's just a little bit of maths, and don't be afraid to get out the calculator as well. Okay, now, if QD equals 200 minus 40p, what is the quantity demanded when price is 250? So we've got QD equals 200 minus 40p, a far more civilized collection of numbers here. QD equals 200 minus 40 times 250. Okay, QD equals 280. I think that's 90, but I am actually going to check. Forgive me. Oh, excuse me, it's 100. Silly me. It's late. Okay, so we've got QD equals 100 quantity units, we'll write down. Okay, 100 units. So that's the answer to that one. If QD equals 900 minus 50p, that 900 is where it crosses the quantity axis, and this minus 50 is how much quantity demanded changes when price rises by 1. So QD equals 900 minus 50p. What is the change in quantity demanded when price is reduced from 650 to 580? Excellent question. Right, so we know it's going to go up because it's a minus slope here, which means it obeys the law of demand, and price has fallen. So QD equals 900 minus 50 times 650. Okay, so get the trusty calculator out. QD equals 900 minus 50 times 6.5325. QD equals 9, or sorry, well it does, but and that's 575 units. 575 units, okay? Now, what's the change in quantity demanded is the question. So now we have to calculate the new quantity demanded at the lower price. 50 times 580. QD equals 900 minus 5.8 times 50. And I get 290 minus 290. And then we go 900 minus answer equals, and I get 610. So QD equals 610 units. So now we've got 610 minus 575, and I believe that is 35 units increase. Okay. And I'm correct. Okay, just so you can see. Okay, there's the 35. Right. So again, I would hope that you guys are like, hey, no, I got this, no problem. Okay. Keeping on moving on here. Okay. Now, if QD equals 1,000 minus 180p, what is the change in quantity demanded resulting from a 150 price increase? Amazing stuff, okay? And basically what it's going to be is a reduction, because it's a minus, price has gone up, of 180 times 150. Okay? Now, there are a few ways you can do this, all right? So if you just want to go 180 times 150, I'm going to get out the L calculator here. 180 by 1.5, 270, okay? 270 unit decrease. Okay, that's one way you can do it. But let's say, why couldn't you just put in a number? Let's say something easy, right? Like go 1 and then 250. So we're going to go here, QD equals 1,000 minus 180 times 1, okay? QD equals 1,000 minus 180. QD equals, I believe that's 820, but I don't want to do anything stupid, so minus 180. And I'm right, 820. Now, let's go 150 increase. It's linear. It'll change no matter what price you did. If I started off at I wouldn't start off at 10, but if I started off at a different price and then went up 150 again, it'd be the same. So what I'm going to say is QD equals 1,000. It's got to be 150 more than that, minus 180 times 250. That's a 150 euro or dollar increase, right? So that's 1,000 minus, and I'm going to have to get out the calculator here, lads. 180 times 250 equals 450, all right? 450, okay? And then we go QD equals 550, I believe, right? So 1,000 minus 450 is 550. Now, if I have done this right, it's 820 minus 550, and that is 270 unit decrease, which is the exact same one that I got there. Okay, now if you don't understand why I've done the thing at the start, just realize you can do the second way and there's no problem there, right? No problem again. And I just hope that this is becoming really easy now. That's what I'm looking for. I think I might take a stop after this. I certainly will. I'll take a stop there, right? I'll take a stop after this question. So we know that QD equals 9,900 minus 1,100p, and it says what's the missing figure in the table. This really couldn't be easier, because we know what the price is. We have the function, so all we have to do is, as they say, is plug and chug. Okay, put this number in here and then work it out. So it's QD equals 9,900 minus 1,100 times 320. All right, QD equals 9,900 minus, trusty calculator to the rescue, times 1100, and I get 3520. 3520. QD equals, and I'm going to go 9900 minus answer, and that equals, so you can see, 6380. Okay, so 6380. Yeah, so we got X equals 6380 units. Is that looking right? Yeah, it is. It's looking right, because as the price is falling, this is over twice that. So as the price is falling, where the quantity demand is increasing. Okay, guys, so I'm going to stop there. That's question 20, and hopefully we can join me in the next video.